Reminder, always follow the instructions on the label and wear proper PPE.
What's up guys, Stevie from Blackout Detail, back here at Superior Products. As you know, or as you've seen, I come here showcasing the Superior Products on vehicles, and we've got a show for you today. Superior Products has been in business for almost as long as I've been alive. Really excited to showcase a new bundle called, drumroll please, the 30-year greatest hits bundle featuring Dirt Buster, Dark Fury, Aqua Gloss, Zap It, and cherry on the top, Coverall. We're gonna show you some of these staples and how versatile they are, and congratulations again to Superior Products for 30-year history. All right guys, so we're gonna feature Coverall Dark Fury. This is a perfect bug, wheel, floor mat cleaner. Today we're gonna feature on a couple different things. So what I like to do with this when you're doing bugs is really just spray the front of your vehicle. Let it sit here and dwell. Be careful applying this in the sun, but get a really good coverage. And what you'll start to see is it starting to break down those bugs. And then if they're really stubborn, you can scrub them down, but if they're, only been on there for a week or so, you can just power wash these right off. Focus in on that. It's already on. Okay, so with this being great for rubber, what I like to use this for is actually on the floor mats as well. So just like you're gonna apply this to your rubber wheels or rubber trim to remove the dirt and grime that's stuck, get a good coating on your floor mats. Let it sit there for a couple minutes and then hit it with a brush or a drill brush. So as you can see here, we've got some brake dust. Spray this in here. Let that dwell. We'll hit it with the brush. All right, so next up we're gonna show you Dirt Buster. This is the tried and true, perfect pH balanced soap. Great for dirty cars, great for clean cars, great for ceramic coated cars. Because it's pH balanced and it's got the surfactants where it will stick to the paint, stick to the dirt, release the dirt, and make sure that you're really preventing any scratches on your car. So we'll go ahead and feature it on this truck. Ready?
Ready.
Aim. Fire. This is a big truck. Time for Operation Superior. Secret Agent Steve. On track 3 of the greatest hits, we're gonna feature coverall Zap It. So this is ready to use, citrus-based formula, can be used primarily for carpets, but it can actually be an all-purpose cleaner too. Because of the citrus, it helps cut through the oils and stuff like that. So today we're gonna feature it on the interior, steering wheel, seats, door jambs, doors, all the fun stuff, okay? What I like to do when I'm scrubbing anything is have kind of like, this is called a ninja scrubber. You can apply it directly to whatever you're using to scrub, like a brush or something like that. You can apply it directly to what you're trying to clean, get a good coverage, and then go to work and enjoy the beautiful scents of the Florida oranges, Sunshine State. And if you got a really dirty seat, you'll kind of start to see this stuff that's stuck to the seat release. You'll see like a white film start to develop as you scrub away. I can see it, you probably can't see it with the camera, but there is a little bit of kind of like residual, and you dry it up and you're left with a nice, clean, matte finish. If you like your leather, plastics a little more shiny, you apply a protectant like Aqua Gloss or Super Shine, which we'll show you as well. Next application of Zap It is perfect for your steering wheel. The reason that is because you touch your steering wheel every time you drive your car, right? It's the most used surface in your vehicle. Ladies who have makeup, you'll tend to find you've also got quite a bit of buildup on your steering wheel and sometimes on your turn signals. So this is a great product to cut through those things that are stuck to your steering wheel in your turn signals. Just got to get a good application and give it a good scrub. Okay, so like I said, you know, some of the most used surfaces in your car, steering wheel and your turn signals, you can see here, kind of looks like some worn marks where it looks clean here, but then kind of dirty here. This is the part that really gets built up over time. So get your product on there, and I'm not gonna scrub it too much yet. I'm gonna let the chemical do the work and let it sit just for a couple minutes, then come back and do your scrub where it's really already starting to clean there. Both sides, if you got a shifter on the other side. If you've got a shifter in the center console, you can do that too. There you go, nice and clean. Okay, so we're gonna continue with the interior. We're gonna do the door here. This spot especially, right? When you're sitting in your car, you got your arm always laying there. So body oils always coming in contact with that surface. Sometimes down in here, you've got, you know, kid suckers and gum. This is perfect for gum, cutting through that. Sit on there, give it a good scrub. Consider yourself zapped. Okay, next we're gonna feature Aqua Gloss. So this is a very versatile dressing. It comes very concentrated. You can use the concentrated version on things like engine bays and wheels. You can dilute it, 4-to-1, 10-to-1, depending on the shininess that you like. Today, we're gonna feature it in this spray gun. So the spray gun allows you to apply it really uniformly. One of the adverse impacts of doing that though is that sometimes you'll get kind of what we call overspray. So if you keep your dilution relatively low, like a 1-to-1 or using it straight, you won't see a lot of that overspray. So I'm gonna feature that on this door. Usually you don't do this on doors because you get a lot of overspray into the windows, but I just wanna show you the application and how you can apply this to your doors, trim, your whole interior or even your exterior. So we got it primed and here we go. So you can see you just want to move kind of quick depending on how much product you have coming out in your gun. But this saves you a lot of time from having to apply it to an applicator and then having to apply it to every single surface. So I like to let it sit on here for a couple minutes, and then I'll come back with an applicator like this and just level it for anything else that has still there and hasn't fully dried yet, just so that there's not really, you know, a slick surface. But as the water in this product dissipates, you'll be left with a really either shiny or matte finished surface. Staying with the same product, Aqua Gloss, like I said, very versatile because you get to decide the level of shininess. Here I've got 4:1. I like to use 4:1 for my seats. If I'm using this on a seat or I'm using on floor mats, you can use 4:1, 10:1, really just kind of depends. You can kind of see this is the seat we cleaned. I'm just gonna apply it real quick just to this side so you can kind of see the difference. So even though you're clean and matte, kind of this gives you that next level of conditioned look. Okay, and for the greatest hits, encore. Coverall, tire dressing. No wiping, no runs, no drips, no mess. I like to do one on the outside. And one down the middle. All right, so there you go, greatest hits value pack. These are the 5 biggest staples of Superior Products lineup. So today we featured the Dirt Buster, which is a perfect pH balanced soap, using it on the exterior. We featured Zap It, which is a versatile stain remover, but also can be used as an all-purpose cleaner for your interior. We featured Aqua Gloss, which is a versatile dressing, can be used on interior and exterior. We featured Dark Fury, which is the perfect bug, wheel, tire, floor mat. I could go on and on about Dark Fury. Everybody uses it for everything. And last but not least, the Coverall tire dressing. Save yourself some time, get this bundle, superiorproducts.com. And just like you guys, I am a customer. Really want to appreciate all of you guys who have supported this small family-owned business for over 30 years. So thank you all for your support. Like, subscribe, bell, icon, all the things down here, up there, over there, wherever they are, hit them, smash them, smash them, smash them.